All right, everybody. If you have an old BMW like mine, you'll be chasing oil leaks for the entire tenure of you owning that car. And right here we have, I noticed there was some oil right here dripping on the sway bar linkage. And yeah, this is not uncommon. Some oil over here as well. And I've been looking everywhere as to where it could come from. And if you notice here, always start at the top and of the valve cover. It is a bit sweaty over here and dirty, so that's a telltale sign it's probably the valve cover. Yeah, and anyway, if you saw in the last episode we were checking our spark plugs. I literally just touched these two bolts and they came out, or they were broken. I replaced the valve cover about I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, and these broke. I don't know when, but it has been slowly leaking for a while now. And I thought it was the Vanos, which we fixed in a different video I can link below. I'll show you how to do that for $5 or less. So I'm going to show you today how to remove a stuck bolt. So if you're lucky like me, you can just use a pick, spray some WD-40 or some penetrating fluid down in the hole, leave it overnight, and then with the corner of the pick, what we're going to do is we're going to back this out. We're just going to turn it there, like that. See? I'll link a set of picks below that have this kind of angled pick as a kit. They're not expensive, and I'm going to work on that until that pops out. Okay, so I've gotten it both of these quite far out. They're like stepped up above the valve cover, not above the valve cover, above the block. Now, in the past, I've just, when I had the valve cover off, you can just twist these off now. They're loose in there and they won't turn anymore. So what I've done here is I've just taken my drill and a little drill bit, and I'm going to drill a little hole here. Just so that I have my screw extractor, something my screw extractor can grab onto. And then you can buy something like this. If the pick method wasn't able to get it out, you can buy one of these screw extractors. It spins, it grabs and spins the screw in a counterclockwise way. So let's put this on our drill. Technically, you're not supposed to use a drill, but I don't care. Actually, that's kind of moving it already. See? Just doing it by hand. Try to get the pilot hole right in the center. And I'm going to shop vac this hole out right now, actually. But yeah, this little tiny screw extractor thing is slowly having the teeth to be able to grab it, and I need 2 hands for this, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, I got my screw extractor on the end of my drill, and I have my pilot hole drilled there to help me have something to grab onto. See, I can even like move it a little bit, and that should be able to just be picked out now. Let's do the other side. Can't really see it. Alright. And if you made your pilot hole deep enough, what you can do is kind of press this down in there. Oh, almost had it. So that it can bite onto it and lift this out. Oh! Almost had it. Need 2 hands for this, but what I'm doing is I'm just pushing down and then pushing to the side, and I'm gonna need an extra finger. Well, wherever that went, but you guys get the idea. And that's how you would extract a bolt from your valve cover. Please do this very carefully. Don't drill through all the way in the block, please make sure to get every single bit of metal down there, because if you tighten down the valve cover bolt, you may crack the block if there's any piece of metal down there. And also, if you don't have a shop vac, you can just spray some compressed air down in here. Super helpful. And now I have a used one, which you should not do. You did not hear it from me. But I'm going to put a used one back in here because I keep all my bolts and every part that I've owned on this BMW just in case. I'm going to clean this side up with some brake clean, get it all nice and clean, and make sure that I can see if it's leaking again. Alright, so as you can see here, what I did was I was going to expand the pilot hole for the stud extractor, but I just ended up screwing straight into it a bit more and pulled it out. So that's also another method. If you can get it all the way screwed out, I guess you can just put another hole in it and it'll come out like that. So yay. And here are the new bolts. I'll also put the part number down below if you guys want to buy a completely new kit. No harm in doing that. And clean down below. And that's it. If this was super helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and drop a like. And it really helps if you guys use the Amazon links down below. If you're interested in learning how to repair your BMW and save some money doing it, then check out my other videos down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.